Hey guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do something, I don't think I've done this on my channel before. I think I've done something like similar, but it was like a different mindset kind of thing. I'm going to be doing a shop my stash video. Now, I didn't watch any of these, I've just seen titles of them, so I'm just kind of guessing on how this goes. I'm thinking I just like use a bunch of old products I haven't used before. I don't know, just to do like a whole face of things I haven't used recently. I think that is the goal of this. So that is what I'm going to do for you guys today. So before we dive into the video, I want to go ahead and remind you guys to hit the subscribe button if you do enjoy this video and to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you miss any of my uploads. Without further ado, let's just dive right in. Okay, so I have you guys completely zoomed in. We are starting with the eyes today first, just because I had, I chose to my stash to test out because this is something I know I've had, but I have not used it, so I guess it will also be like a first impressions, I don't know. But this thing is like so disgusting. This is the Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Reloaded Division palette. It looks dirty because it's like been through a move and everything, but I have like not used this at all. I think I've swatched a couple shades, but that's about it. So me using that today, but I do need to prime for my eyes. So I'm gonna be taking the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape to prime for shadow today. Okay, so because I'm using it as eyeshadow primer, I'm not going to be setting it. I'm just going to dive right in. I don't really know what kind of look I'm doing today. I'm just going to play around with this. And yeah, we'll see. I think I'm doing something kind of simple. Okay, I'm going to be starting out with this peachy shade right here. And I'm going to be popping that right into my crease. I've never had good luck with Makeup Revolution shadows in the past, so I'm curious to see how this does. Oh man, I need to shade my eyebrows right there. It's not cute. That shade is blending out actually pretty well. I'm thinking this is a completely different formula than the ones I've used before, because they were like the huge palettes with the tiny little circles in them, and they did not perform well. So I am curious to see. So far with that one shade, so good. Alright, next I'm moving on to this like mustardy shade right here. I'm going to be using the same brush. So far I'm noticing these shades, they blend well, but they're not super vibrant. But we'll see. I'm just holding this so that my skin doesn't tug. I have really loose lid skin, you guys. Very unfortunate actually. So there's just little measures I have to take that normally people shouldn't do with their eyes. I just kind of have to do. So I blended out well, it's just not super vibrant. Like it's opaque, it's just not vibrant. Maybe I've just been so used to color recently that I'm like, where's the vibrancy? So that could actually be it. I haven't done like a super neutral look like this in a little bit. I've been playing with color a lot. But that did blend out well and I'm happy with that. Go in with this kind of orangey shade right next to it, and I think I'll switch brushes for this part. M456. This is the brush that so there's James Charles's like brush collection. This is the brush that was made new for the collection. Okay, so I'm noticing the shadows are kind of all blending together. Like there's a little slight difference, but it isn't like, it's kind of lackluster almost. My finger, and I'm gonna go in with, what is this shade? Oh, there's like no pigment to that, like that's non-existent. Oh, but this bronzy one, let's try the bronze. So this one's going on well with my finger. I'm curious what it would do with the brush. I'll try with the brush on my other eye first. And to kind of like sharpen that line. But like my finger, that went on pretty well. Okay, finger much better. Or we'll spray it, maybe? Still better with the finger. Okay, finger it is. Take this dark brown and just trying to bring a little something to the outer edges here. I'm glad I did my eyes first. I'm getting some fallout here that I'm noticing. And again, this is just like blending all in together. You guys, this palette is not good at all. Do I want to continue on with this eye makeup? Probably, because, you know, that's just... This eyeshadow palette is not good, you guys. It's not good. It's not. We are pushing through though, but just letting you guys know ahead of time, it's not good. See all that? Yeah, literally all the shades blend together, you guys. That's really what I'm noticing the most. Honestly, if they didn't blend together like that, it would be okay. But they just blend together into like one mushy shade. But I mean, you know, with eyeshadows, except for in Wet n Wild cases, you do get what you pay for. This was $7.50 for a ton of shadows. So... Okay, what am I going to do about these outer edges? I do want to try out this topper. We'll try and like redeem this a little bit. This is the BH Cosmetics Eyelets Eye Topper in the shade Fresh. Add a little bit of interest. To this look. How about that? Yeah? Agree? Add interest? Woo! Hello, BH Cosmetics, here to save the day. You are saving the day. Now, I'm not using the palette. Like, look how messy it is. Okay, this is a no, you guys. All right. I need to put something on my outer corners, too. All right. That was an ordeal. I just have bad eyeshadow today and I'm sorry about that. Oh my gosh, literally I've just spent an hour trying to get my eyeshadow to work, y'all, and it just didn't work. So I had to start completely over and I'll tell you guys what I used in a second here. So I did use the BH Cosmetics topper and then I just went in with my Kylie Jenner palette in, I think it's Blue Honey, something like that. So that is what I went in with, and because of my frustration, I didn't do as good as I normally do, so it still looks bad even though I used okay shadows. I do need to prime. I don't know where any of my primers are, so I'm going to stick with the primer I've been using, and I do know that I love it, so might as well. Now for foundation, I decided I wanted to play around again with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I remember I really liked this, you guys, so I'm going to do that today. I'm going to take it on a sponge. Can't remember what the coverage was like for this. I really don't remember anything about this foundation except that I really liked it. But I don't remember diddly squat about it. Use a trash man, I'm sorry. Bang, like a medium coverage. That's kind of what the vibes I'm getting is like a medium coverage foundation. Alright, and then concealer, I'm going to play around with, for concealer I'm playing around with the e.l.f. Camo one, the medium peach. Oh, wow, that is so light. That's why I stopped using it. I couldn't remember. It's like white. How is this a medium shade? It's so white. Has good coverage though, but it's just so white. And it says it's a medium shade. BS! But it looks good on the skin. I'm using using the Wet n Wild translucent setting powder. This is not a very good shot, my stash. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay. Contour or bronzer, you guys. Let's take the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Bronzer. I have not used this in like 50 million years. Probably, yeah. And we just... It's a pretty shade. I forgot that it's a very, like you can't go overboard with this bronzer. Aqua Brow again. Yo! Alright, so highlighter. I haven't played with this Give Me More palette from ColourPop in probably a year. So I'm going to play around with that today. I actually don't have a lot of time thanks to my eyeshadow. Ugh. That was an ordeal. I had like literally an hour and a half to film. And now I have to leave 5 minutes ago. Hey, caramba. So I'm just going to be playing around with a few of these shades. Can't really remember how I felt about this. Just kind of like mixing some shades together. It's pretty. I've definitely used more intense highlighters, but it's definitely pretty. It's buildable. Slightly on the chunky side, but like not like a deal breaker level of chunky, just slightly. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. What is one I haven't used in a while? Oh wait, ooh, I want to play around with this one too. I haven't used this in a while. This one I remember being super intense. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Totally forgot about that one. Taking the 4D Epic Mascara to put on my lower lashes. Blush, I'm going to be taking NARS Outlaw. I haven't used a NARS blush in a while, so I thought that would be fun. And I'm just going to... Woo! I forgot how pretty that shade was. Such a pretty blush, you guys. NARS really has like nailed, like NARS and MAC honestly is like nailed blushes for real. Ooh, I've not used Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. Oh. Forgot how pretty that was. I love that shade. Wow. Mix it with a little bit of Lolita from... There we go. Perfect. Alright, guys. Alright, that is the end of the video, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was a disaster. That was an absolute disaster. My makeup looks like crap. The video... Oh, I hate my lips sometimes. Alright. First world problems. Okay, you guys, that is it for the video. That is it for the Shop My Stash. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, that did not turn out very well. That eyeshadow from the beginning like really set me up for disaster to where I just couldn't do my makeup after that. I just kept screwing it up. Oh, this is pretty. I want to add some peach. Anyways, that's really pretty. Yeah. Gosh, you guys, seriously, like that was cringy. So freaking cringy. Ah, okay. Whew. reel back in. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and maybe I'll do another attempt to shop my stash. I am getting rid of that palette so quick. It set me up for a major failure. Anyways. Alright, I gotta go, you guys. I've gotta run. I'm running late. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!